Best healthy drinks for diabetics. Getting diabetes means you need to be familiar with all you drink or eat. Knowing the quantity of carbohydrates you consume and how to affect your bloodstream sugar is vital. The American Diabetes Association, ADA, recommends zero-calorie or low-calorie drinks. The primary reason would be to prevent an increase in bloodstream sugar. Selecting the best drinks will help you avoid uncomfortable negative effects, manage your symptoms, and keep a proper weight. Milk. As you may know, milk is really a healthy and advantageous drink for children. It's also great for diabetics. A 2000 study discovered that consuming low-fat milk products relates to mortality of diabetes, lower incidence, minimizing bloodstream pressures. Milk helps you to promote weight reduction in those with diabetes type 2 and keep essential functions from the body. Fat-free and occasional-fat milk is recognized as among the healthiest drinks for diabetes, which aid in reducing high bloodstream pressure. Therefore, you need to take 2 to 3 quantity of milk products regularly. Water. Water is among the best drinks for diabetics since it won't boost the amounts of bloodstream sugar. High amounts of bloodstream sugar may cause lack of fluids. Consuming enough water can assist the body remove excess glucose through urine. Men should consume around 10 portions of water daily while women should consume roughly 8 glasses. If plain water doesn't suit your needs, you may create some variety with the addition of sprigs of flavorful herbs, for example basil, mint, or lemon balm, or adding slices of lime, lemon, or orange, or crushing several frozen or fresh raspberries to your drink. Cucumber juice. Cucumber is enriched with calcium, iron, phosphorus, proteins, vitamina, vitamin B1, aromatic substances, vitamin C and vitamin B2 in order that it helps you to effectively improve human health. Furthermore, it has effects that may reduce heat, get rid of inflammation, diuretic, reduce swelling and treat joint disease. Based on articles on Livestrong, a 2014 animal study printed within the Journal of Medicinal Plant Research demonstrated that cucumber pulp extract helped to reduce bloodstream sugar. Therefore, diabetics should drink cucumber juice frequently to supply your body using the important nourishment.